Welcome back. Well, we got a couple ladies from the Florence Sylvester Senior Center right down the road, and you folks, I think most of you know where that is. I'd like to welcome Lily Matthias and Sheree Unholz. And you got so much stuff going on. March is here, or just about here, in just a few days. So you got a lot of different activities going on. And we're going to talk about some of them, right?
We are. Thank you so much for having us again.
Yeah, always great to have you both. And I know one of the things you wanted to talk about, among other, you've got a stack of things, but the wonderful lunches you put on every single day, well, Monday through Friday, and you've got room for a lot more folks.
We do. And you know what? I would just love to empower anyone that might be sitting at home alone to come out to our lunch. It's a really great program. I think it's a fun way to meet friends. And then they all will go off to some of our classes together, but it is good food that comes from a caterer in Laguna Beach. So I'd love to grow the program. We have a capacity for about 115 people, so we definitely have more room.
Okay, and if people get this booklet here, you have all the menus are in here for the entire month, so people know what they're, you know, they can kind of pick a day and figure out where they want to, what they want, and of course St. Patrick's Day is coming up.
Yes.
St. Patrick's Day is coming up.
Oh my gosh, St. Patrick's Day, yes. I can't believe it, but that's like, what, at least a little over 2 weeks away.
Yeah.
We're already there. So we're doing our big bash. We have an entertainer coming in to do, you know, fun music, get up and dance. We're doing a big raffle or a gift to the person who wears the most green. So we have seniors wearing everything down to jewelry with green socks, green shoelaces, you name it. And they get up there and it's a big competition in the front of the room and then everybody votes.
That'd be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
And as far as the lunches go, do you have to you mentioned pre-order them. Do you have to sign up? Can you just go in there that day?
You can come in day of, certainly. Sure. But a lot of our regular seniors, they come to lunch every day, so they'll pre-order because you can get a hot meal or order the cold meal.
I see, okay.
So if you don't eat beef or chicken, you can get the cold meal.
Okay,
like
so there's
hummus
options.
wrap yeah. But we can always, guests are welcome day of. You decide you want to come, we serve at 11:30, so they can come in that day.
Okay, very good.
We had a really sweet lady come in yesterday, and it was the first time that she'd ever been with us. And she was like, what's going on? So we invited her to have lunch. Next thing you know, she was sitting at a table with a bunch of, you know, really nice ladies, and they all know each other's names, and they're all coming back the next day. So that could be an example of somebody who's kind of sitting at home not knowing what to do, or maybe doesn't have something to do. So she literally ended up making 5 friends that day. So they all had newsletters and menus. They were all talking. I mean, and that's what it's about. Yeah. It's the socialization.
You've got some other things you want to talk about. You've got a stack of different events that are happening.
Always. So in the month of March, we're doing something called Luck of the Leprechaun. And that is every day you come to lunch, you get a raffle ticket. And then we're going to raffle off a large gift card at the end of the month. A quick thing about that is if you bring a friend who's never come to lunch, we double your raffle tickets. So we give you 2 raffle tickets. Okay. So yeah, we're just kind of, again, another reason to encourage people to come in and join us for lunch. Yeah.
And Lily, you also want to talk about volunteers?
Well, yes, I would love to. So I think most people know what Meals on Wheels is. If you're not mobile enough to come out to the center to receive lunch from us, we will bring food to your home. So we have 2 managers that run that, Sydney and Chris, and on their behalf, we'd love to ask for people that would love to volunteer by driving out to the homes, even if you can't do a regular day, just to come in as a sub to go take those meals, because we have almost 200 seniors in Laguna Woods that rely on our services every day.
Wow.
And they get 3 meals delivered, a hot meal for lunch right then, refrigerated meal for dinner, and refrigerated breakfast for the next day. So there are a lot of people relying on us, so we're always looking for people.
Okay.
It's about 22, 23 routes. That are run
That's
out.
a lot.
So yeah, we're always looking and recruiting for volunteers at the senior center or for Meals on Wheels.
And a few other things you want to talk about?
We have a brain exercise class. I don't
and
know.
That's always been popular.
Yes, it's been popular, but we've seen some of the sign-up sheets are going down. So we're looking for some new faces. Brain exercise, it's the memory, the reasoning, the processing, the concentration, all that stuff. We have 2 classes. It was so popular, we did 2. So the first class is at 9:30. The second class is at 10:30. The 10:30 class is always full, but we're looking for some 9:30 participants. So again, there's no charge for the class, and it's a great way to again meet people and socialize, but also to exercise our brains.
Yeah, that's a really good. I've heard over the years that's been very popular.
Yeah, very popular.
Yeah, for their reasoning and processing skills, I think that really enhances it, and just memory recollection, which is so important for all of us.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it's a popular class.
Very popular.
And throughout the month, all the different things that you have, they're all listed in this booklet. And what I like about it is most of the time, I think almost all of them, there's no charge. You may have to call ahead because reservations are limited in some of these. I think there's a few that might have a nominal fee, but overall there's so much that is offered there.
Yes.
And the fact that you talk to people about things that can really help them, resources that you folks you really look into. Want to make sure the people that you work with are all very legitimate and have worked, especially with seniors, for quite a long time. And
And I think the nice thing is, even if people come off the street with the question, we have case managers in-house that can provide them some more resources. So that's just beneficial for them.
Now, the case managers, again, are people that really can go out and help a lot of different folks for different reasons. Maybe it's just a very short session with them or whatever it might be. They might have some little problem or question, and that's something that is really a benefit to a lot of people. Yeah.
Totally.
We're passionate about our seniors.
Yeah. What are your hours over there?
We're open from 8:30 to 4:30 Monday through Friday.
All right.
Yeah.
Very good. Well, it's always
down
good
and
to have
visit
you
us.
ladies on.
Yeah.
And all the
Thank
folks from the
you.
Senior Center, they do great work over there. And again, stop on by there and see what there is to offer. Pick up a booklet. We have a few of them here. And if you want to look into volunteering, please contact them, 949-380-0155 for all the different opportunities there. And of course, the lunches are wonderful. Just go over there and have a lunch one day. You'll meet new people and have a great time. And be great stuff.
Yeah, come hang out with us.
Yes, we love it.
All right, we'll be right back.
Thanks, Ken.